Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you've all had a really wonderful Christmas. I'm pretty much getting cabin fever now. It's the day after Boxing Day, so it's the 27th of December. I'm filming this and I need to get out of the house. So we've decided to start the day with a trip to IKEA. Hopefully it's going to be quiet. You know, I'm not busy, but you just never know, do you? I do want to pick up a couple of lamps whilst I'm there, and it's just an opportunity to get out of the house as well. So yes, I'm going to take you along and show you some of the things that's in IKEA today. So yes, today's video is going to be a bit of a vlog type of video. So I hope you stick with me. I'm just going to do a quick outfit of the day. So I'm wearing my most favourite hat ever. It's Emma's hat actually. I kind of claimed it and I thought it was mine, you know, and she was like, no mum, that's my hat. And I was like, oh. She went, it's fine, you can keep it. So I've got my hat on. I think it's a Primark hat, but I do like it. I've got my leather, I'll just tilt the camera down. I've got my leather biker jacket on. So, and I've got this dress on that I bought recently from Marks and Spencer's. Yes guys, so I've got my leather biker jacket on, the Marks and Spencer dress. I've also got boots on. I don't know if you can see them. I'm probably going to fall on the Christmas tree here. This should be fun. These are from Primark. They're just like old ankle boots, black ankle boots from Primark. And I do have my rattle bag today. So yes, come shopping with us at IKEA. So really nice scenery here. Sort of hills and countryside. But look at the queue. This is to get on the A1. To go to IKEA, so this might not be a good idea after all. Right, we are actually on the A1 and it's not too bad after all. The traffic's not bad, it was just a bit congested because of roadworks. So yeah, off to IKEA. stopped and got a hot dog and some fries, and we're just going to sit in the car and eat them because it's so busy in there. Yeah. Oh yeah. You just can't go to IKEA and not get the hot dog and the fries at the end. Okay, so we've came to Costco to get some fuel for David because it's a bit cheaper here. But look at the queues.
It's a lot cheaper here, hence the queues.
Yeah, apparently it's a lot cheaper here, hence the queues. So what is it then? 146. I don't know if you can see the fuel prices there.
From lead at 159 for diesel.
Oh, that is cheaper, isn't it? I should have brought my car. Got some. I'd have to come back. Right, guys, we're back from IKEA. David, stop it. David's trying to make me laugh. So we're back from IKEA and I picked up a couple of bits. Well, what I actually went for was some 2 lamps, and they didn't have them in. But when I checked the stock availability, it said that they had them in. There was 3 in stock. But when we got there, it was like there was 3, but they were on display. So we didn't get them, but we did order them online. So we stood in the store and just ordered them online to get delivered, because you can do that with IKEA, or you can get them and pick them up in store, get them delivered to the store. Anyway, I'll show you what we did pick up today. It's not much, but I'll put the insert of the lamps that I'm... Sorry. George wants his dinner. He's like, it's dinner time now. I'll show you what we bought. Right, guys, so all we picked up from IKEA today was, like I say, the 2 lamps, which I'll put an insert in here, which ones they are. I picked up one of these plates because I did break, well, one got broke, I didn't break it, but one did get chipped. But I do find that they are quite hard wearing, compared to the other ones that I used to have, which are a very, very similar shape. I picked up these 2 scoops. Don't know if you can see them, one slightly smaller than the other. I thought these might come in handy. Yeah, I also picked up this huge board, like a chopping board, work surface board, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, it's just a wooden one. On this side it's smooth, and on the other side, if I tilt it up, it's got a groove all the way around it. It's called lamp leg. And do you know what? It's huge, and it was only £15, guys, for that. So I thought that was really good as a worktop saver. It does have a lip, so I can fit over the top of your bench top. I can't push mine back because I've got these the dog treats there. Actually, I'll show you these. I picked these up from Amazon, and it's I think they were about £13 each, but you get lots of things in. George got a carrot and he loves it, absolutely loves this carrot, but you get lots and lots of different treats in here. They've already been eating them, so they're just bags and bags of treats. You know what these are, but the dogs absolutely love them. Sorry, so that was just dog treats there. But yes, that's my purchases from IKEA this time. But I do really like this. And do you know what, guys? I'm thinking about, I've seen a beautiful kitchen in IKEA. Absolutely stunning kitchen. But I just don't think I can justify, spending that amount on another kitchen. And I might just revamp this one a little bit. I do think I like the wooden benches for a change, rather than the black granite type. Yeah, I'm thinking about maybe just putting these kind of bench tops on. We did look at them in IKEA, so that is an option. We might and we might just do the floor. Well, not wood, because I don't find wood would be hard wearing with the dogs, but I know you can get tiles that look like wood, that actually looks like wood flooring, so maybe that might be an option for us. But I do like the look of this workbench instead of the dark. I think I'm done with the dark. I've just taken these out of the packer, guys, so you can have a better look at them. But this is them here. I just think they might come in handy, just to keep in the drawer. Just as little food scoops. Right, guys, I'm just going to do some dinner. But before that, I was going to show you these couple of things that I picked up. I picked up these trees. They're lovely, like red glitter tree. Bottle brush types, you know. I picked up some silver ones and white ones and gold ones, and I just thought the red ones were lovely. Then they'd reduced these. I think they were about £4 originally. Yes, they were, and they'd reduced them down to £1 in B&M. So this, you know, they reduced all of their things down. I picked up these crackers as well. These are just ones that we've got left. So I thought these go like lovely with the theme on the table. You know, I didn't put it on this year, but you know, I've got them for next year. I'm going to pick up these crackers, see if they've got any left. And yes, that'll be the theme on one of my tables for next Christmas. It's always quite good if you can get like wrapping paper and things in the sales, you know, save some money for next Christmas. So these were like red and this colour. So I'll be on the lookout for more of them in Home Bargains. Like I said, those were from B&M, and they were selling these as well. They didn't reduce them. I just saw them and I thought they were absolutely beautiful. This tin it's gorgeous. It's just really, really pretty. I got the girls one as well, you know, my daughter's. But how pretty is that tin? It's got shortbread in, and it was only £3.49. And they get these kind of things in every year in Home Bargains, and I think they're lovely for gifts, mind. This tin here, the Nutcracker book, it's lovely. And there's the spine of it. It really does look like a book. And the pages there, can you see the Nutcracker poking out? It's just really, really nice. Again, it's got shortbread in, £3.49. And there's also another one I got as well. Yeah, guys, there was this other one as well, this post box. How cute is that? It's absolutely adorable, and it's a little money box. So after you've ate the shortbread, you know, you can collect, you know, money in here. And I always have like loose change in my purse. You know, so I'm going to just pour it in here for like little Pippin, and at the end of the year when it comes to Christmas time, I'm just going to get it paid into a bank account for her. So every year she'll have like just, you know, just coins like saved up, you know, and when she gets older, I'll take her to the bank, you know, and she can hand them over herself and do it all by herself, you know. And yeah, I think it just would be nice to save all year round in this. I mean, I'm not probably going to put 1 pences and 2 pences in. I probably just put like, you know, a silver in and pound coins and things like that, you know, for her. Just like, yeah, what's that? 20 pences, 50 pences, 5p's, 10p's, you know, pound coins, and I'll just pop them in there. So guys, I don't know what happened there. I seem to have lost some footage, but I'm just going to make some turkey curry. You know, I've got all this turkey left over, so I'm going to do like the obligatory turkey curry with the leftovers. I've just peeled some onion. I'm going to chop that up, and I'm going to pop it in my pan with a little bit of olive oil. Sorry, not olive oil. I use the rapeseed oil. I do use olive oil if I can't get the rapeseed oil. Right guys, so I'm just going to soften these onions, and I'm going to pop some rice in a pan. Okay, so I'm just going to use some of this long grain rice. This is just from Aldi. Pop it in that safe. There is 6 of us for dinner tonight, so I'll give that a rinse. I do like to wash my rice both before and after cooking, so I'm just going to pop that in there with some water. I'm just going to pop a little bit of salt in. Give it a quick stir. Let that come to the boil. Right guys, I just used the Mayflower curry sauce. I picked this up from Home Bargains, B&M. I think I got this one from B&M. So I always use this one. Everybody seems to like it. They do the another one, it's more like a curry paste. I think I'm going to change things up a bit with a curry paste one. I'm just going to stir my pan. Stir my onions. It's starting to soften nicely. And then I'm just going to dice this chicken up or chop it up in some rough form, you know. So yes, I'm going to just dice this up. We've got like really, really big, thick pieces, you know, so it's a shame to let them go to waste. So, and everybody likes curry. Right guys, I've chopped all my turkey up. I mean, it might look like there's a lot here, but it's for a big pan. And yeah, we're gonna probably freeze some of this as well. Right, so that's the curry all done. We're just waiting on the rice to still boil, and then we're gonna have it with chips as well. Right, so that's tonight's dinner cooked. And it's chicken curry, rice and chips times 6. So just a quick tea tonight. Yeah guys, I don't know if you've had these before, these big cakes from Costco. This one's a lemon cheesecake and it was only $9.99. They're absolutely huge. Would normally get this one, the chocolate one, and this one's I believe $10.99 for this one. But cracky, you get so many servings in it. I mean, the chocolate one's really, really rich. They both are, to be fair. I'm going to go for the lemon cheesecake. David's just took a chunk out of this and he's had it with cream. But I'm going to have the lemon cheesecake one. Right guys, honestly the house is a mess. It's yeah, without Christmas Day the house is an absolute mess, and I'm going to go out in the garden and I'm going to just do some jobs out there on the patio, which should have been done a long time ago, but what with Christmas and everything, just not had the time. So I'm going to take you out there and we'll do a bit of garden tidy. Right guys, I'm just going to tackle some of these jobs out here. I actually don't need to do anything with these plants because they're you know, they're really hardy. I'm going to put a couple of bulbs in him. Oh, I think, yeah, I'm going to put a couple of bulbs in him. I still need to plant up my banana plants. This is looking a bit sad, isn't it? Look at this. So I think we're going to pop some bulbs in there as well. I need to tie this up. Yeah, thinking about cutting this back. Right guys, I'm just going to remove all these lower branches of this cordyline and then tie it up. George always runs off with these. He snaps them off the plant and then he runs off with them. all wrapped and protected for winter. So now I've just got a lot more others to do. Guys, I've got these quarter lines here, that's like inside my back door, which I need to tie up and tidy, give a little prune to. And then I'm done with the quarter lines on the patio, but I do have these. This is a hosta plant, so I need to tidy this up and prune it. I'll get rid of it really, because it's just like a deciduous plant, and it comes back. Dies off completely, then comes back. Same with this side as well, and these pots. Right guys, I'm just going to move on to clear this hosta. Right guys, I'm going to plant some of these crocuses. I picked these up in B&M, and you can still plant them. It's got until December, and it will flower in February and March. So I'm guessing this will flower in the March, because I'm planting it late in December. Actually, we're nearly into January, but I don't have one of them bottling things, so I'm going to use this. It's off an outdoor light. Oh look guys, it's starting to what's that? Spike? Flower? Bud. Starting to bud. Right guys, I'm just going to plant some in this pot as well. So in the spring I'm going to have a little pop of colour. So I'm just going to pop some of the crocus bulbs in here. I need to get rid of these plants first. These were just bedding plants. Right, so yeah, it's coming on pretty well. I've still got a lot of tidying up to do, but I'm getting there. Next to do is dehead the hydrangea over here, and I'm going to plant some crocus bulbs in this little rabbit. I'll show you. So I need to dehead this. Look at this. Right guys, so these are canna lilies, so I'm just going to cut them down and then I'm going to mulch over on them. Just going to drill some holes in the bottom of the bucket for me, some drainage holes. Wouldn't come out the pot at all.
Oh,
wow.
Just a little root bound.
Well, look at the trunk compared to the pot.
That is crazy.
That has been some really crazy growth.
Hasn't it?
Wow. Very fast growers, that species. Need to keep the cord for the species. See what that one was. That one. It's going to go. There's the thing.
What?
Yeah.
Let's just see. There we go.
Looks less like a bucket. Right, I'm just going to cut this lilac down. I hope you all got some like really lovely gifts. I hope you all enjoyed your Christmas day, you know, whatever you did, you know, spending it with friends, family. I hope you all had a really, really nice time. I did get some lovely gifts. I'm not going to go into every gift that I got, you know, but there was a couple that I really wanted to show you, you know, because do you know what? I feel like they're the best gifts that I've ever received, so I wanted to show you them. And you know, if you've been on my channel for a while, you'll know. So Emma bought me, it was Emma and Jamie who bought me these, and she bought me this ornament, and it's the willow tree ornament. Can you see? She's holding a dog. Isn't she beautiful? Look at the dog. So they bought me that, you know, because for you who's like new to the channel and you don't know, I lost my dog Angel in October, the 20th of October. I lost her. My channel is named after Angel, Silver Moonlight, and Emma got me this as a gift of remembrance, you know, to Angel. So she got me that, but that's not, well, Emma and Jamie got me them. But that's not all. They also got me this. Can you see? I hope you can. That's Angel. There's pictures where she's over at the caravan. You know, she loved it over there. But you know what they went and done for me? They got pictures and filled the album of pictures of Angel and me. I'm not doing a very good job of this. Can you see the pictures of me and Angel? Because she was always with me, you know. She just always liked to sit with me. Like she always had to be on my knee or sitting very close to me. So yes, they put like pictures in an album for me. So it was really, really such a thoughtful gift, you know, and it honestly is like the best gifts I've ever had, you know. Well, this is Emma, I did lost my Loki, my cat. He was killed on the road, and Emma did buy me this statue, but she's hugging a cat, you know, in remembrance of Loki. But I was absolutely, you know, blown away by them gifts. They were really like so thoughtful. You know, there was a lot of thought went into them, and a lot of time and effort as well. And I so appreciate that. You know, yeah, I really appreciate that. But yeah, if you don't know, Emma's my daughter. I've got two daughters. She's my youngest daughter, and she's also got a channel on YouTube as well. I'll put her channel name here, and I'll link it in the description as well if you want to like pop over and say hello to Emma. But yes, my other daughter, she got me some gifts as well. And one of the gifts, I don't want this to be like what I got for Christmas type of thing, but I think you might like these couple of things. My other daughter got me this. It's do you know what? I'm not doing a very good job at this, am I? I really didn't intend to like show you anything really, but you know, you know Angel, you know, and when I lost her, but yeah, my other daughter got me this. It's I'll open it up so you can see. It's like a box. Can you see, like a chest? It's lovely. So you can open it up, you can keep whatever you like in here, you know. But inside it's got this card as well. Like an envelope with things in. So inside you like open it up like this. And then it's got a pouch. And inside the pouch there's a bag of like crystals. So it's all different crystals for healing. You know, if you're into crystals, that is. Even if you're not into crystals like for healing properties or anything like that, I just think they're so pretty to look at. You know, but I'm going to use these like for healing properties. So yeah, there's some like really beautiful stones in there. Tells you what they are, you know, in here, and what you use them for, you know, the chakras. I'm not going to pretend that I know a lot about healing crystals and things. I'm pretty much like new to it myself, but it's something that I am interested in. So like for healing your soul, spirituality and enlightenment, wisdom and career, belief and communication. There's love and acceptance, reason and confidence, emotion and creation, health and safety. So yes, it does tell you in here what each crystal is and what the properties are for it, you know, like what it's meant to do basically. So if I can see without my glasses on, I'll tell you. Orange salt stone. We'll go with the orange salt stone in there. So it's the sun chakra. Sorry, I'm just going to get my glasses, guys. I can't see. Luckily, I keep some reading glasses in my bedside cabinet because I like to read in bed on the night time. Okay, so the orange salt stone, it's the sun chakra. It purifies the air, it improves sleep, it relieves pressure, refreshes the mind, and increases immunity. So, you know, if you pop that, you know, on your bedside table at night. I do also have it here. You know, I've got a salt lamp in there and I've got this one as well. So for purifying the air and things. I mean, there's loads. There's like the green fluorite is the heart chakra. So it stabilizes your emotions. It relieves your mood and expels excess energy. So that can be negative energy. So, you know, some people might think it's all a load of mumbo jumbo, but you know, I always like to keep an open mind, and it's not hurting. It's not hurting to believe in things like this. You know, it's not harming in any way. So I guess each to their own. But what I am going to do is, because it's the end of the year, and I'm not going to lie to you, it's been a really challenging year for me in many ways. But and Christmas did not disappoint. Yeah, and Christmas did not disappoint. That was very challenging too. But okay, to get rid of the negative energy that's around in my home, around me, you know, I've got this sage stick. Now they're called smudge sticks. You know, if you go in a shop and ask for a smudge stick, they'll know exactly what you mean. Or you can ask for a sage stick. Now, I mean, it smells amazing. If you like sage, you know, it just smells like sage and onion stuffing. You light it, guys, and you say like a prayer. You say like you chant a prayer, and you go through your home, you know, with it lit, and go out to the corners of you. I mean, I'll show you, you know, if you're interested in that. And I want rid of all of the negative energy before little Pippin comes, you know. So yeah, I'll be lighting the smudge stick and getting rid of all that negative energy that's around me and has been around me for the past well, for a while. So yeah, I'll be doing that in the new year, and I just thought I'd share that with you. I mean, you can pick these up, you know, in you can buy them online as well, and they're about £6, you know, £6 to £10, but depending on where you get them from. But yeah, that's just a couple of things that I got for Christmas. Not the sage, not the smudge stick, but you know, the other things. I did get some other really nice gifts. I don't know whether you would have wanted to see them. You know, I really don't know. It's been a little bit of a different type of video, hasn't it, guys, to my normal like hauls and things like that. But I hope you've enjoyed it. Yeah, I do hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, it would be great if you could give me the thumbs up, you know. And yeah, I guess all that's left for me to say is, you know, I wish us all the very best for 2023. I hope you're all blessed with good luck, health and happiness. and I shall see you in the new year. So whatever you're doing on New Year, you know, if you're partying, stay safe, and if you're just having a quiet one, you know, reflecting back on the year and looking into the new year, I just wish us all peace and happiness. So until next year, guys, unless I'm back before then, I'm not too sure. But if I'm not, please have a really, really lovely and safe one, guys. So bye bye for now. Bye.